Yo, what's going on? Today I'm going to be showing y'all how to make two different styles of cane. These are simple styles. So we're going to start off with our 10 mil rod here. We're going to get a nice big gather going, and then we're going to take our mashers, give it a nice squeeze. You want to make sure this clear is drooping hot. Make sure you squeeze it evenly everywhere. We're going to have to make two of these. We're going to try and make one a little bit bigger than the other one. And then our smaller one is what we're going to put our color on. So I have Europa Star and Red Crayon for this first cane here. And first we're going to put our darker on the outside. So we're going to use our Europa Star. We're going to put 4 stripes of this on this disc here. We got it in 2 times speed for y'all. There's our 4 stripes, and in between those little gaps, we're going to fill it with our red crayon, which we did off camera. Then we're going to take that second clear disc, and we're just going to cover it, try and keep it center. Melt one of the rods off. We're going to squeeze all the edges closed with the mashers. Flatten it out nicely, make sure everything's even. Then we're going to reconnect our 10 mil again, and we're going to give it a nice twist. We're going to twist one way with one hand, and you can either just hold your other rod or twist it the opposite way. I do a little bit of both, but make sure you rotate it and twist it the same way the whole time. So here I'm just twisting it up, and then we're going to disconnect one of our rods, and we're going to use some gravity to just melt it all back down. So now we're going to remove our 110 mil rod, and we're just going to rely on gravity and that marver a little bit to melt this all back down. So now you can see all those twists and kinks coming out and the actual cane starting to form. The phone did overheat right here though, so I'm just going to have to show you the finished product. So this here is my finished cane. I turned it into a poker. You can kind of see in the middle where I got lost in which direction I needed to spin, and it kind of dysmorphed itself. For the second style of cane, we're going to grab our 10 mil, and we're going to alternate stack 2 different colors on this 10 mil. For this cane, we've got Neo Opal and English Ivy. We're going to put our Neo Opal down first, then some English Ivy, then more Neo Opal, and then more English. We're going to do 4 layers, and then we're going to completely coat it in clear on the top, sides, everywhere. You can double side this on the 10 mil, or you can do just one side. I'm doing with just one side for this video. I do recommend giving the double-sided cane a try. The cane comes out a lot nicer, it intertwines around each other. A little bit harder of a challenge for yourself too. So we're just using our mashers here to keep this all straight. We're doing 2 of each color. Make sure you alternate. And then we're going to give it a nice clear coat with a 7 mil clear rod. Get that clear rod nice and hot, and it'll just droop right over everything. Almost like you can paint it right on there. Just want to make sure you melt everything in nicely after the coat. Squeeze it with the mashers a little bit. Then we're going to twist it. So now we're going to connect our other 10 mil. And same as last time, we're going to twist one rod one way, one rod the other way. We're just going to use gravity, a little bit of force. Keep rotating the same way the whole time. Now we're going to disconnect one of these sides here, and you can see that cane start to form already. But now we're just going to use our gravity and our marver once again. Same style as last time, just different layout at the start. All cane styles are very similar when you're just trying to get the kinks and wiggles out. Just melt it down, use gravity, maybe that marver a little bit. This cane is going to be used for a bowl attachment, so we're going to take it off this 10 mil here. We're going to switch to a smaller torch, put on a little punty. You can see the cane start to form. It's looking very nice. This is our English Ivy and Neo Opal cane. For anyone wondering, I'm running the Nortel Mid-Range Plus torch. We have finished both styles of canes. We're going to throw them in the kiln for the night. That's going to be the video. Hope y'all boys enjoyed. Peace out.